Are delays and struggles testing your patience? Or have you mastered discipline and perseverance? The answer lies in your Saturn. Let's decode its influence in your life. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Akhila Murthy, your astro guide. Saturn or Shani in Vedic astrology represents karma, discipline, perseverance, and justice. It teaches life lessons through hardships and rewards hard work with lasting success. A well placed Saturn grants wisdom and stability, while a weak or afflicted Saturn can bring delays, struggles, and restrictions. How does Saturn shape your success, relationships, and personal growth? Let's dive in. First, let's understand the characteristics of Saturn in Vedic astrology. Saturn's role is to govern time, discipline, and responsibility. Shani represents karma, justice, and endurance. Saturn controls hard work, patience, and maturity. Shani influences career stability, longevity, and wisdom. A strong Saturn in your horoscope brings patience, discipline, and wisdom, strong work ethics, and career growth, long term stability and endurance, spiritual depth, and karmic rewards. Weak or afflicted Saturn can cause delays, obstacles, and setbacks, chronic stress, and responsibilities, health issues related to bones and joints, feelings of loneliness or isolation. Now, let's see Saturn and its connection to Vedic astrology. Saturn rules Capricorn, also known as Makara Rashi, and Aquarius or Kumbha Rashi, making these signs practical and disciplined. It's exalted in Libra or Tula Rashi, where it brings balance and justice. It's debilitated in Aries or Mesha Rashi, leading to impulsiveness and struggles with discipline. Saturn governs the 10th and the 11th houses, linked to career, social standing, and long term goals. Shani's Sadesati occurs when Saturn transits over the moon sign, testing patience and resilience. According to Hindu Puranas, Saturn is the son of Surya, the sun god, and Chaya Devi, also known as shadow goddess. Due to his disciplined nature and devotion, Bhagavan Shiva blessed Saturn with the power to govern karma and justice. One famous story tells how King Vikramaditya was tested by Saturn. Despite suffering extreme hardships, the king remained righteous and patient. In the end, Saturn rewarded him with wisdom and prosperity, proving that endurance through trials lead to great rewards. This tale teaches us that Saturn's lessons are tough but necessary for growth and true success. I would like to share my client's success story. Arjun, a businessman who faced constant failures despite his efforts. His chart revealed Saturn in the 8th house, causing instability and financial struggles. By following Saturn remedies like chanting the Shani mantras, donating black sesame seeds, and wearing a blue sapphire, Arjun developed patience and perseverance. Over time, his business stabilized, proving that respecting Saturn's discipline leads to lasting success. Now, let's see Shani's connection in palmistry. In palmistry, Saturn is associated with the mount of Saturn located below the middle finger. Key features of Saturn in palmistry are well-developed mount brings wisdom, patience, and responsibility. Flat or weak mount indicates lack of discipline and fear of hardships. Vertical lines on mount of Saturn shows deep thinkers and hardworking individuals. Cross or grill on Saturn mount suggests challenges and karmic struggles. Remedies for weak Saturn through palmistry are massage the mount of Saturn to activate its energy. Wear a blue sapphire, also known as neelam, in the form of a ring or a pendant for stability. Also, please note, wear this only if it is suggested by a professional. Help the elderly and donate black sesame seeds for karmic blessings. Now let's see what are the remedies to strengthen Saturn. If Saturn is weak or afflicted, try these simple remedies. Chant Hanuman Chalisa. This reduces karmic struggles. Light a sesame oil lamp on Saturdays. This brings Saturn's blessings. Worship Bhagavan Hanuman or Bhagavan Shiva. This helps with Saturn's discipline. Donate black sesame seeds, iron, or black clothes to balance Saturn's energy. Practice meditation and patience to align with Saturn's lessons. Saturn teaches patience, discipline, and perseverance. When balanced, it brings wisdom and stability. If weak or afflicted, it can lead to delays and hardships. But with the right astrological and palmistry remedies, you can turn Saturn's tests into life changing blessings. If you want to understand Saturn's influence on your life, let's analyze your birth chart and palm for personalized insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more astrological insights. Book a consultation today to align with your Saturn's wisdom.